Hey everybody, glad to see you on my new YouTube video about Bybit. Today I will show you how to stake Solana on Bybit. First of all, you of course need to buy Solana. You can do it in the Trade tab, click on Spot, and just go to Solana and USDT pair. And here you can easily buy Solana. After that, you need to hover your mouse over Assets at the top right and click on the Earn button. You'll see your Earn account. Here you'll find all your savings. For example, now I'm staking Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Well, how to stake Solana? To do it, click on the Go Earn button at the top right, and now you have to find the Solana in this list. You can use the search box, just type here Solana, and here it is. There are a lot of interesting offers with flexible and fixed duration, but now I advise you to use flexible duration. Now just click on the Buy Now button, click on Stake Now for Solana again, and you'll see this window. Here you'll see all of the necessary information, the history of ARP. Also, there is the current ARP. And for example, if you would like to stake all your Solana, you can click on the max button or just enter another amount right here. Now you need to check this checkbox and click on the Stake Now button. Okay, that's all, successfully purchased. Now you can go back to your Earn account, click on My Holdings, and here it is, Solana. Now you are staking Solana on the Bybit exchange. And of course, on this page you can unstake it if you would like to do it. It was a short tutorial. I hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.